Mark Mabasa is joining us on the show today. Hello, Mark. Kamusta?
Hello, Janelle, and to all your viewers.
So, Mark, I've been hearing a lot about you. People have been saying, you should interview him. You should interview him. Great singer, great performer. What does it feel like when you hear that?
At first, it's overwhelming in a sense that pwede pala akong pumunta ng ibang lugar and then I could be belong na hindi
Yeah.
mahirap for me to be belong, especially here in LA and the whole states. Masyadong welcoming ang mga Pilipino. So I feel so blessed.
Yes. And since you mentioned that, yung blessing, what do you think is your biggest blessing this year?
My biggest blessing, I think it's the growth. Iba yung pagiging artist natin sa Philippines. Then pagdating dito, naiiba din siya. And then, ang dami kong natutunan na bago. Nag-grow ako as an artist and as a person. Kasi ang dami kong na-meet dito na tumutulong sa akin talaga. Na talagang they're building me, they're building my career.
Yes, yes. So ang daming mga blessings, Mark, and that's what we're celebrating today. Holiday season all over the world. But there's one thing that I'm just finding out about you, and that probably not a lot of your fans know. You don't celebrate Christmas.
Sa religion, it's religion thing.
Okay.
But I celebrate with them, pero not totally like yung I do it, I sing for them during the events para naman ma-feel nila na kasama pa rin nila ako.
You still sing Christmas songs. What's your favorite?
Sana ngayong Pasko because I remember my dad when I'm singing that song.
And so, para dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Mark po ay isa sa mga anak ng veteran journalist in the Philippines. How long has it been since he passed? Yes, assassinated, yes.
It's been
Okay.
2 years.
2 years. 2 years pa lang, Mark. So, paano nabago yung Christmas?
Usually talagang magkakasama kami sa house eh. Every Sunday yan, magluluto yan for us. And syempre, especially pag holidays, gusto niya magkakasama kami lahat. So, yun, parang hindi na siya mangyayari. Parang it will never happen again. Parang you will miss him every time na etong holiday is coming.
But your siblings are here, and you guys are what are your plans for at least, marking the occasion? I know pag Iglesia ni Cristo pala, you don't celebrate Christmas, but you guys get together also. What are the plans for this holiday?
For the holidays, dito lang sa bahay. Usually, ganun kami. Sa bahay lang. And then, gusto lang namin magkakasama kami. Wala namang specifically na ginagawa kami. Kasi usually, ginagawa namin yun every New Year. Parang
Yes, yes. And speaking of the New Year, Mark, what are you looking forward to sa New Year? Kung meron bang New Year hopes, New Year's wish?
This coming year, I'm looking forward for new music, of course. Syempre, I'm always excited about new stages kasi parang every time na bago yung bagong state, bagong lugar, na-excite ako. Kasi naisip ko bagong tao, tas yung bagong mga reactions and para siyang, alam mo, pag kumakanta kasi ako, ay gusto ko nakikita ko yung reactions ng tao. So, I'm excited about that. I'm excited about, of course, yung kung ano mangyayari sa career ko this year, next year, and yung magiging bago sa career ko, basically.
Right. It's all new for you, no? Beginnings and endings, may endings sa Philippines, and you're beginning here. What is the biggest lesson that this year has taught you?
To be more grateful
Mm.
and syempre yung parang ikaw na kung paano maging humble and kung paano maging focus sa ginagawa mo,
Mhm.
especially to your career.
Yes, you know what? You're the last that I've interviewed, from Garth to Jules Aurora. And everyone's just really talking about gratitude. I guess that's the attitude moving forward, no? Being thankful for what was, everything that happened to us that made us who we are and who we've become today, and then
Correct.
gratitude for what's to come.
Kasi lahat tayo may story to tell. how we begin in here in America, kasi we all have our, they call the humble beginnings. So siguro being grateful kasi pinagdaanan natin yung hirap, and then nararamdaman natin na unti-unti tayo nakakabangon, and we grow from that.